Good morning to you. You're watching Fox and Friends First. I'm Heather Childers.
And I'm Rob Schmidt. It is 5:30 here on the East Coast. President Trump promising a big surprise on health care.
This as Senate leaders now face a new deadline to come up with a revised plan by tomorrow. Griff Jenkins is live for us in Washington, D.C. as that deadline quickly approaches, to say the least, Griff.
Hey, Heather and Rob, good morning. Just when you thought the suspense and the health care drama couldn't get bigger, President Trump dropped this.
Healthcare is working along very well. We could have a big surprise with a great healthcare package. We could have a great surprise.
But the clock is ticking. Republican senators say they're working double time to come up with a revised bill. And exactly what that surprise is the president's referring to, we don't know. Ultimately, the question is, can it bridge the gap between the 9 senators opposing the bill? That, of course, caused the vote to be delayed. One of those holdouts, Senator Rand Paul, floated the idea of splitting the bill in 2.
The idea has been talked about for, I think, at least a year in private, that there may be another opportunity of a separate bill that has more bipartisan support, that would include some of the spending that some of the people in the Republican caucus want.
Democrats have been united in opposing the bill, but now Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer is suggesting a meeting at Blair House to start talking.
I challenge the president. Invite us all to Blair House. Let's see what we can come up with. Let's try. We have an opportunity to go back to the drawing board.
But the president says Democrats are not serious about working together, and no Blair House meeting is on the schedule. One thing is for sure, guys, whatever that surprise President Trump's referring to, we'll find out soon enough. It's Thursday. Deadline's tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be very soon. Griff,
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.
All right, Democrats hoping that the Republicans will fail in their push to repeal and replace Obamacare. But as Town Hall's Guy Benson says, in essence, they are rooting against their own constituents.
One of the best points that he's made over and over again, though, during this debate is an important one. Obamacare is failing. It doesn't matter what the favorability ratings are. I see in our polling 61% of Americans still want to see it fully or partially repealed. It is falling apart at the seams and getting worse, and will continue to get worse. So even if there's a big outcry over the Senate bill and it doesn't go anywhere, hooray, we're stuck with a falling apart individual market. That doesn't change. What comes next?
Well, a former Bush administration official praising the president.